ignore the absolute state that I'm in. Just gonna do a quick update on the scarf. She's looking cute. I think the last time I recorded, I've just done the green, or I was almost done with the green, but now I've added the blue. Cute. This is the cotton yarn that I had, and I was worried that it was going to be too thin, so I've basically done 3 separate strands and put them together so it's thicker, and it's worked out really well. It doesn't look that different to the other ones, which I was also scared about. I thought it'd look a bit weird, like the cotton next to the acrylic yarn, but it looks fine. I also went to Hobbycraft yesterday to get some yarn for a couple of Christmas presents, which I'm hopefully going to be recording making, and they had some of their own chunky yarn on sale. Yeah, I think it's chunky. Yeah, they had their own chunky yarn on sale, so I got a couple of colours to add to the scarf, and I don't know whether I'm going to do them as well as the colours I've already picked out, or whether I'm going to replace some colours, because the colours that oh my god, how many times do I want to say colours? The colours that I'm already the shades of yarn that I've already chosen, DK, not chunky, so this way I won't have to double them up and it'll be less hassle. So we have, I think I only got 3 colours, was it? Yeah, so I've got this one. This is going to replace the grey, because I didn't want grey in my scarf. I wanted this like cool toned cream, so they had this. They were only reduced to like £1.50 or something like that. This green, I think it's a better shade of green than the other one, or it's a different shade, so I'll probably do this as well as the other one that I've already picked out. And then this blue, this blue, which is very similar to the one that I already have, it's just chunky instead of DK. So yeah, these 3 colours, nice. But yeah, I'm gonna get on with more of the scarf now, because I am excited to do the Christmas presents, but that's going to be a separate video, so I need to hurry up and finish this scarf so that I can start that video. But yeah, I also went into the Entertainer and they had a series of Hirona, which I don't have any of, and it's the original, it's the first Hirona series. The other one, I don't have any of them, and I bought it as motivation to do this video, and also the Christmas present video, and post and record and post them. The Christmas present one I'm going to have to wait to post until after Christmas, so I need to do something else in the meantime. But yeah, I'll update you when I've done more rows of the scarf. But yeah, sorry that this video is like kind of, it's just loads of updates. I'm not really showing me crocheting it, but it's just half double crochets the entire time, so it's the exact same thing I've been doing with the green scarf. I'm just doing it with this scarf. But yeah, it's taken a lot longer than I want it to, but that's because I have done it super long. Like the green scarf didn't take long because it was really short, and also it was chunky knit yarn, so it was like, it worked up a lot quicker, whereas this one's taking forever. I've also done a couple of rows of half double crochets, and then most rows are single crochets, so again that means there's a thinner scarf. But yeah, I'll update you soon. Okay, so next colour. This is the one that I got yesterday. This is the one I already had. I don't know which one. This one's a little bit lighter, so I think I'm going to do that so it's not as much of a stark contrast. And also this one's chunky, so I don't need to double it up because it's becoming annoying. I'm going to do that one next, and I'm also going to size up half a hook size because it's starting to curl. So I'm going to move up to a 4.5 if I have one. But yeah, it's looking nice. Okay, done the blue. It's still curly, so I don't know whether to go up another hook size or whether I've kind of just messed it up already, because I should have used a bigger hook size to begin with. But we'll see. Maybe once I block it, it'll be fine. Yeah. The next one is this colour, and I'm going to do a half double crochet row, so it's a little bit thicker. What were we going to say? Yeah, this took me about 20 minutes just to do one row, so that's fun. But we'll see. I don't know whether to go up another hook size. No. I think I'll leave it at 4.5 and then go up another size if it starts to curl round even more. Yeah, I definitely should have used a bigger hook size to begin with. But yeah.
2,000 years later.
Okay, it's a couple of days later now. Are you ready for what I think is the final scarf without blocking. I've not blocked it yet. Here she is. She is very, very long. I've literally been able to wrap it around twice. And she is very curled up because I ended up sizing up a whole hook size to finish it because this was just way too tight, and I probably should have restarted it, but I didn't. I'm still unsure whether I want to add another layer here. It kind of blends in with my jumper at the minute, but I'm not sure if I want to add in a different layer because when I block it, it will be longer and more loose, so it won't be as wide. So I don't know. Is this even somewhat of a good angle? Okay, sorry about the noise in the background if you can hear it. Someone's just using the shower. I think you'll still be able to hear my voice perfectly fine, but anyway, I think this is going to be the new setup for talking videos. Currently doing it with my front camera because I don't have the time to be messing about with the back camera. Apologies about the quality. But I thought I'd sit down and show you the finished scarf. It's somewhat steamed. Yeah, it's somewhat steamed, so it's less curly than in the last video. And as I'm sitting down, I realised that I haven't done the tassels. The only tassels that they have are when I've changed colours. So that's something that I'll be adding to it probably. It's so long. It's really long. I measured it against myself roughly. I'm 5'7", almost 5'8", and it's like twice my size. So it's a long scarf. I dread to think how many chains I actually made because I'm not sure how many. But yeah, this is the final scarf. You're not going to be able to see it all. I'm probably going to have to do like a little separate B-roll just to show you. But here she is. Yeah. I'll pop in some B-roll if I have any so you can see the full length of the scarf as well. But yeah, did I follow a tutorial? I think I followed a tutorial for the green scarf and then I just applied that to this one just with half double crochets and single crochets. So first of all, love the scarf, love the pattern, love the mix of colours, how autumnal it looks, okay? Wish I had some more like oranges and reds, maybe like a little magenta, something like that. Just so it's not as, so it's more like forest and sunset rather than just foresty, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I do like the different like widths of the colours. So I obviously did some half double crochets and some single crochets. I like how mismatched it is, that's great. My only issue is I wanted it to be a thin scarf like this, but I just wanted more colours in it. So that would mean I would probably have to either use a smaller hook, which then it would curl more, or just use single crochets all the time. So I think next time I'll not do any chunky yarn and I'll use a smaller hook, because if I were to use a small hook with a chunky yarn it would obviously curl up and it wouldn't be right. Yeah, I think I like the length. I'm not sure yet. I think if it was blocked properly and it wasn't as stiff, like it's definitely better now that I've semi-blocked it, which basically means that I left it on the radiator and had like people were taking showers, so the steam from that was kind of loosening the stitches, and then it's not as curly now. Still a little bit, but not as. If I was to block it properly and it was to be, you know, a lot more loose rather than too stiff, I think I would like the length a lot more because I'd be able to wrap it around my neck better. Like I still can, look, I still can, it still looks cute, but I just want it to be a little bit more loose, I think. Or maybe I just need it to be thicker. Maybe that's the issue. Like, it's still cute. I want to be able to do that. So maybe I would do it a little bit thicker so that it's there. And then I'd be able to have it like this and then my coat over the top. That's still cute. Like, anyway, yeah, I do really like it. I really enjoyed it. There were a few things that I changed. This as well. I don't know why it's gone like this. I do know why it's gone like this. It's because I changed hook size. So this was a 4. This is 4.5, this is 5. So it's gone a little bit wonky, but that's fine. It's the me project. It wouldn't be without it, you know? Wouldn't be a me project without a little bit of wonk. But other than that, it was really fun to make and I really enjoyed it. Yeah, it's really cute, really cute. And it's gonna go really well with my fluffy brown Afghan coat, which I'm probably gonna wear today to go to the shops. But yeah, But yeah, the next video that I'm going to be working on is a cat hat tutorial, kind of. I just need to figure out if I'm going to go full tutorial, like bird's eye view, or whether I'm just going to do a me, which is probably what I'm going to do, and say what I'm doing, then kind of show it, and then do a progress update type thing. Because this short, is it called on YouTube? I think it's called a short, is doing really well at the minute, and this is from like 2 years ago. Someone asked for a tutorial, so I'm going to do that. And then it will be Christmas, which is crazy. But yeah, keep an eye out for that, I guess. But yeah, let me know what you think about the background. It's gonna get a lot more full once I have more like posters and things. My little Melinda, look at these, Lara. It's very busy. I like it, but I need to be more busy. I want like drawings and things on the wall. But yeah, that is it from me, my lovely little dumplings, and I will see you in the next one, which will hopefully be a cat hat beaner. But yeah, I'm gonna try and do some video now. But yeah, bye.